I can't see, but I look better. Oh.
This is Batula.
Oh, it was recording. Batula?
This is Batula. Okay.
We're going to get coffee. I don't know why he's taking us through back roads.
Because I know how to get there. I know how to get to the area, but I don't know the exact way to get there.
Yeah, so now we're in the middle of nowhere.
But so the whole point of us getting coffee is actually for aesthetic reasons. We're gonna take photos there.
He's paying for my coffee because I don't have a job.
Hooray.
Where are we?
We're gonna get there! We were listening to Deftones, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so here's me singing Deftones for you. Died! You... No! 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 Okay, we made it. We lived.
We never introduced ourselves, I just realized.
I'm Benji.
I'm Kay. There's a pink house.
I sure hope everybody knows that I'm Benji, considering it's my channel. But this is Bestie.
Hi. This bracelet looks like my cat. You guys will meet my cats one day. I have 5. Because my mom's a crazy cat lady and so am I.
That's not why you have 5. Go ahead.
Okay.
Tell them why you have 5 cats now.
I have 5 cats because my grandpa died and he put his cat in his will and the cat's name is Gravy. And I already had a cat named Biscuit, so now we have Biscuit and Gravy, and then 3 others that have their names.
I have beef with Biscuit, but that's besides the point.
He hates Biscuit for no reason. She's my baby girl. She's my daughter.
Right.
What?
We call Gravy. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
There's no
Okay, your
stop
turn.
sign. I'm confused.
Well, that was a stop sign.
Where? Oh my God! Did someone hit it? Oh wait, that wasn't a stop sign.
Oh, it wasn't a stop sign?
No, that was not a stop sign.
Oh. Licensed driver. We call it Gravy Young Gravy, and we play Young Gravy's song and pretend it's gravy.
He's a drag queen.
Look, we're almost there. We're almost to the coffee shop. I knew where I was going.
I don't know where we are.
Well, if this white car hurried up just a little faster.
What are they doing?
Go faster! We live. Oh shit! We live. Get that.
Okay, we're here. We almost died.
Because I wasn't red. Yeah, we made it. Anyways. Okay, so we were taking photos here, so here is a New Jeans cover from me. You don't even know my name, do ya? You don't even know my name, do ya?
I told you it's funny.
It's funny.
Here, tell everyone you're a poser.
I'm a poser. I got this coffee only because I wanted it for aesthetic reasons. I didn't want to get...
Yeah, now he's complaining that it's gross.
It tastes bad.
Try mine.
Yours is really good.
Yeah, it's good.
Wait.
It's not coffee. I like tea more. I also need to remove my lipstick because it's gonna get everywhere. Actually,
Bring more? Oh, okay.
Actually, no, I'm gonna leave it on. If it starts getting everywhere. Guys, we have a disaster. My coffee has exploded.
Mine tastes bad.
What's wrong with it?
It's very bitter tasting.
Because it's a macchiato.
I don't know, I wanted something hot. So
Why does it taste like a burger?
it wasn't even recording. It's raining and he's being a puss cake, but he took my photos anyways. I said a puss cake. But it's raining out here. Oh, here, I'll open the door for you. I'm opening the door! A true gentleman. Get in! Yeah, so some of your good stuff.
Here's some butterfly lesbians.
Hooray.
I don't know why her skin is sparkly. That wasn't supposed to happen. Here's some Genshin.
Genshin again!
I never finish this, but I should because she looks very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
What's that?
Genshin. Bro's eating sun chips.
I like them! It's my first meal of the day! You like what?
No. They're gross.
I couldn't reach the pedals. I was like, why can't I reach the pedals? Because I adjusted my seat.
We were taking hipster pictures. Our coffee and our camera. And my Genshin sketchbook. You saw how you looked at me in the camera. Lipstick is struggling with this coffee. Oh my god!
Oh! My snake vertebrae necklace was stabbing me.
Your breakfast stabbed you?
My snake vertebrae necklace.
Show the camera.
I was like, where's my ring? My favorite ring, my dragon ring. And I was like, hopefully it's just in the car somewhere. But it was in my chip bag and I just like spat it into my hand. Because I tasted a bunch of metal.
Fucking ate his ring. And he's fucking, I was just sitting here fucking screaming. So what is wrong with you? How did that even happen?
I don't know, it fell in the chip bag.
It's probably a little cheesy now.
Well, at least I didn't swallow the ring.
That would have sucked.
You're going the wrong way. Okay, yeah, there we go. Wait. Dude, go. Okay, stack that way. Yeah.
Imagine someone sees us doing this.
Yet another voiceover. Doom, 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 doom.
That handle being wet.
It's snowing. Look at my jacket.
It's all over my sweater.
What rat? Because he's like, no, a rat would be like punk. So never mind. You're like wet bat.
Wet bat?
Yes.
Like baby bat, like wet bat?
Yeah.
We're so smart.
My
Don't
neck
talk
looks
to my
long.
peers.
So, like, you transform every time you take your glasses off. I was like, who is that? But,
That was so random.
but the mission is my grandma needs 4 gallons of cranberry juice for some
They already
reason.
have St. Patrick's Day stuff out. It's January. But no sugar.
Please don't come down here. Please don't come down here.
Great value, 100% juice.
No, it has to say no sugar added.
It says no sugar added.
Oh. Where? I need 4 of them.
Start putting them in the cart. Yuck. Why is it $5?
Look at my jacket.
I think we're parked over here.
What are you recording the damn license plates?
Where's the car?
I lost the car.
We're getting snowed on. Oh my god.
He's dripping in my car.
You're dripping too.
What?
My warm car.
Bro, we were in there for like 10 minutes
There's
max.
snow on.
You fucking dumbass. Stop. Roll the window up.
It's cold.
Open the car. Open it and brush it out. It's snowing inside. Shut the door.
He's back. He's back. Where's your coffee? This is mine.
You had it. Where did you put my coffee? Okay, well, I didn't want it that much anyways.
Apparently we left his coffee in the Walmart.
Yet another voiceover. New hair, new tea, new jeans, do you see? New hair, new tea, new jeans, do you see? Oh, I forgot the New Jeans song. This clip is so long. He made me record this for so long. I'm so sorry. New hair, new tea, new jeans, do you see? New hair, new tea, new jeans. It's like progressively getting darker. That's how bad this weather is. That's
It's my
Deftones
Deftones
CD.
CD. I'm trying to find the lyrics to a song, but they're fucking formatted.
We listen to CDs in my car because
We want to be like Roderick Heffley.
yeah.
Look at this. How am I supposed to read these lyrics? Why are they
car. You creepy cat. I don't like you, Biscuit. There's a Gravy.
Are you a hungry boy?
Kate has many other cats.
He's the dead grandpa cat.
But I just got rejected. Anyways,
He doesn't like kisses.
thank you all for watching. If you made it this far.
This is my crusty house. Wait. How do you do that? This one's easier.
This one's easier for him. Thank you for watching.
For him?
And I hope you have a fantastic, coolastic day. Mwah!